Hello, guys. Yeah, good evening. Okay, so like I posted in my status the other time, okay, I said that I'm going to post my journal for last week's trades on YouTube for you all for free. So that's what I'm about to do right now. And I hope that you're going to watch the video because you are going to learn a lot of stuff. See, this video will be very short. I don't want to waste time but in the video, I just want to show you the correlation between DXY. DXY, as we all know, DXY is dollar index and Euro USD and GDP USD. Though without diving too much into trade or making this video too long, I'm just going to use Euro USD, DXY, and BTC USD. I'm going to do a top-down analysis. So pay attention to everything I'm going to do. I know you have missed me on this YouTube channel, but today I'm back for you. So let's go there. Okay, so I hope you can see my screen. The main trade I took, I will show you where the trade is. Okay. Um, Here is the trade. First one we are looking at is, I even caught this trade with my student. I showed him, let me check if my chart with him is still there. Okay. I showed him everything that is going to happen on this trade 2 weeks ago. I showed him that 2 weeks ago. I showed him that 2 weeks ago. Let me open my WhatsApp. Or should I leave this WhatsApp and go straight to what I want to show you guys? Okay, this is the trade I took last week, Eurusd and DXY. So that's DXY right here. So what I'm going to do now is to show you how I came about with all these things. Okay, yeah, we predicted that DXY is going to come down to this zone here. Why Euro USD is going to come up to this zone up here, and from there it will drop. After doing this video, I'm going to show you why we sell Euro USD. So let me go to my second trading view and do this. So trading view, we're just going to do top-down analysis on Euro USD and DXY. That's all, and we are done for the day. Okay, maybe I will show you something on BTC. It will help you pay attention. All right. So I hope you can see my charts. So as the chart is opening, which pair is this? This is gold. Wow. It's been long I came to this trading. Gold has been pumping. That's by the way. So Euro USD is what I want us to look at immediately. Okay, this is Euro USD. So whatever I marked before, I'm going to delete them. Then we're going to do a top-down analysis. Okay, let me do this thing here. We're going to do top-down analysis on this pair. We're going to do top-down analysis on Euro USD. So this is Euro USD. Why I want to use this is for me to happen. I still took this trade last week. It's fine. So let me just wipe everything here off. Then this is what happened this week in the market. Just this candle last week. So I'm going to cut it off to show you how the trade I took played out. Okay, as we all know, market structure, very important. So doing top-down analysis, we first of all come to weekly time frame. On weekly time frame, we can see our last higher high up there. This is higher high, higher low, higher high. You see what happened there. So here we are bearish. Market created lower low. So everything that is happening here are called what? Just market structure. Nothing has been broken. So we are bearish on weekly time frame. Okay. On daily time frame, checking daily time frame, market structure, you can see higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low. Okay, we made higher high there. All these are market structures. The market broke out, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. I mean higher high now, higher low, higher high. All these became market structures until we broke out again and formed the lower low, lower high, lower low. Okay. Who is calling me? Lower low. So I hope this thing didn't distract my network. So the last structure we have is lower low. Our market was creating this lower. Okay. Then that is on last week. Then on 4-hour time frame, we can we can see what happened. So after all the nyama in the market, we had lower low, lower high, lower low, market structures, higher high, boom. So what we have here is that weekly bearish, daily bearish, then 4-hour bullish. This more coming. Let me connect that to me. Sorry about that. I'm sorry about that. A call entered my phone before I'm on phone. So we're going to continue. Oh my God. This thing should refresh now. Sorry about that. My network was interrupted. All right, so we are here. I caught this before, but I was trying to tell you guys how I caught my trade for last week. Okay, so right here we can see that market made a higher high. Market made a higher high, and if you look at this place well, why I actually took a trade was because of this. You can see inverted head and shoulder. It just cleared. So this is always the strategy I use to enter my trade. Head and shoulder. The last left shoulder or right shoulder. Once market tests there, I'm going to take my trade. So this was the first trade I took on Friday. This should be, yes, this should be Friday last 2 weeks. Okay, and put my take profit here. but I'm still going to show you why my take profit is there and my stop loss was there. Okay, I still took the second trade. But here you can see that our trade there, what did I tell you? Our weekly bearish, daily bearish, 4-hour bullish. So this is the first thing you are going to take whenever you want to take a trade. So the second thing I did was looking for my area of interest. Since weekly and daily are bearish, so my AOI or my area of interest, my zone, I look for a zone, okay, a place that has 3 touches, both support and resistance, which is here. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Let me put it on candle. Sometimes I like using this line chart to mark out my area of interest. Okay, you can see first touch, second touch, and third touch. Very important. Okay, so here I was telling my student Ebenezer that this market is going to come up here. Then this is number 1 correlation. Let's go to DXY. You know, when you are trading Euro USD or any pair that has USD as its tool, you must always take to make sure that DXY is doing something opposite. Okay. So DXY, let's do top-down analysis on DXY. DXY. Okay, so on DXY here, if you go there, you will see that DXY is doing something that is very opposite to what, oh, I'm going to wipe this, my beautiful charts. It's fine. I'm going to wipe it, okay? To do this top-down analysis immediately. So on weekly time frame on DXY, you can see this is exactly, maybe after this stuff, I will go and open my video of last week because I used to record my class with my students. Okay, so this is last week, before last week. Okay, so if you look at DXY, we can see higher high, higher low, higher high, then lower low, lower high, market structure, lower low, then we have this higher high. Whatever that is happening inside here is what is just market structure. So the last structure we have is point A to point B. So higher high, higher low. On daily time frame, we can see this is just beautiful. This is just beautiful. Fantastic. This is higher high, higher low. If you go to daily time frame on DXY, I explained all these to my student. This is lower low. We are waiting for market to come and do lower high on daily time frame. Whereas we are waiting for market to come and do higher low on daily time frame. Then we put our zone here. Weekly is bullish. Weekly is bullish already, and daily is bullish. And this is our area of interest. You can see first touch, second touch, and third touch. Exactly what we saw on EU. Okay, fantastically beautiful. Then on 4-hour time frame that last week, market was bearish. Exactly what was happening on EU, which is Euro USD. Let me delete all these stops. Let me back out. So this is exactly why I know that market must move is you can see our market structure here. Our market structure on DXY on 4-hour time frame is trading higher high, higher low. Higher high, then we will have this lower low, lower high. Okay. So if you look at this place, because I haven't worked my chart, I was telling my friend, yes, This is how we marked it. I gave him assignment to go and mark this on DXY and this on EU. You see, this is exactly what we did. Exactly. Okay, since on 4 hour, this is now going bearish. And this bearish is going is for it to come up here. You will see that at the end of the day now, 4 hour time frame on Euro USD, we now be bearish, making the whole time frame be insane. So look at what happened there. That last week. Okay, this is last week. I draw my fib from point A to point B here, so that we will see why my take profit was where it was. If you look at this place, my take profit, so that it won't look like a bucket next. The reason why I put my take profit here, negative 61.8, you see, and that is your market function and reverse. So exactly what will happen here. Now we are back testing it to make sure that that's exactly what happened. Okay, so this is the trade, and I entered the first trade here on Friday. So I closed it because I don't like holding my trade over the weekend. Okay, I just saw this trade. You can see this is a beautiful morning on flower. Then on Monday, that is where even this trade was just too beautiful. Look at this morning's hour 1 hour. Now, once you have your plain higher high, because you always buy at higher low, and buying on lower time frame always gives you a better entry. You see now our risk to reward ratio here now is 3.5, which is fantastic. Okay, which is fantastic. So this is how the trade played out. I entered this trade on Monday again. Okay, because I'm sure that DXY wants to drop. Yes, market came back to my entry. This was the second trade I entered. Sorry. The second trade I entered. And most of the time, you take the time that this trade, why I entered that trade late on 4 hour time frame is because I waited for market I wanted to take the trade during London session. So this is the candle that opened up. You see, this is still 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock a.m. Okay, that's why I didn't take the trade on Friday. Then here too, this is 16 o'clock Nigeria time, and this is 10 a.m. US time. Okay, that is why I took the trade here. Okay, I actually took the trade here on Monday, right? On Monday, I took the trade right there on the day, and my stop loss was still there, down here. Okay, so that's how the trade played out. I sat on my hands. This trade, it took it 4 days to play out. So most of the times when you take a trade, you have to allow your trade. That is number one. You know, at the end of the day, what we do in trading is, at the end of the day, 90% psychology and 10% skill. Because when I was still learning how to trade, or when I started trading, I wouldn't, when this drop wanted to happen, I would rush and close the trade. Okay, but you can see, you will sit on your hands. These are two beautiful trades that played down fantastically well. Once market breaks area of resistance or support, it's always tested. I took another trade here. I wiped my chart. When I opened this chart, you would have seen it. I took a trade here, actually, on Thursday. Let me open it to be sure. Yes, I took a trade here on this candle. On this candle. That's a money star candlestick. I took a trade right there. The trade was like giving me headache. I just closed it. I closed this particular one. But as you can see, it gave us one ratio trade also. See a beautiful trade. It even gave us a better risk to reward than the first trade we took. You see, and which time was that? This is New York session. Yes, I remember this trade vividly. I took this trade on the mount, this particular trade. It's a fantastic trade. That was a fantastic, beautiful trade. This one is just break out of the test, no rocket science. No rocket science at all. Break out the test, boom, market will take profit. So that's it. Then on BTC USD, I've actually had a series of trades on BTC USD. Let me check. BTC USD, I'm expecting a big dump regardless. So that particular reason why I took this trade on Euro USD is the particular reason why I took this particular long you saw here. Always it will give you 1, 2, 3. So just look at this trade now. Let me open Euro USD. This is a very fantastic reversal strategy that is working for me. So we don't do this without doing top-down analysis. You must make sure that you do your top-down analysis before taking any trade. Very, very important. Okay. So look at why I took this trade now. Let me use a tool called inverted head and shoulder to show you exactly what happened here. So look at this tool, inverted head and shoulder. This is left shoulder, okay? This is the inverted head. We formed higher high, higher low with this engulfing candle, and boom, we hit our take profit. Can you see this? On BTC, I will show you this now on BTC, 3 places. I've taken a lot of wonderful trades on BTC, a lot of them. Okay, let me show you this first one. It's everywhere. You can't even unsee it. This is it here. This is number 1. I will show you like 5 examples. 5 examples how to use this inverted head and shoulder. It works. Lower low, left shoulder, lower high, boom. Market formed higher high, retested. Once market retested, especially that left shoulder, or this is what I have discovered personally. Higher high, higher low. So let's put our feet. Let's put our Fibonacci. Okay, let me just delete this. You see it play out over and over again. Even if you want to be robot in the market, you want to set buy entry, just put your whatever there. Put your take profit. So this one didn't hit our take profit. Our take profit should be here, which will give us 1:3.8. Your stop loss should be down here. Okay, but you can put your stop loss below this. It's important to wait first because you are a reactive trader. At the rejection of this candle, of these candles, you should know that okay, this trade, this market wants to move. Even a negative 7, you still have a fantastic trade right there. This is number 1. I will show you this. The most recent trade. The most recent trade now is okay. We had this inverted head and shoulder. Okay. Lower low. We had higher market move. I didn't trust this trade. I didn't take this one in particular. It was just watching it, looking at what he's doing. Okay. I had, where did I mark my bits? Let me check where. Yeah, it's where I'm like, let me show you one second. We are going to use this one. Once this one take the trade, we will make one. Okay, this is a 100,000, if not $100 million strategy. Okay, so look at the why I choose this trade. Okay, because of what I'm about to show them, I will not make this video public again. Let me do this then. Okay, and from this is the MH100 on power 900. The MH100 always have as a support. We always have a support. Look at this one that we that impacted head and shoulder and market jam. And this thing gave us one of the six. It was a wonderful trade. Look at it. Market from there. Our support on the inverted head and shoulder market. I call this line. I call this particular line and we played out fantastically well. I'm seeing something like this trying to happen. Look at this thing. I'm seeing something trying to happen. And one good thing about this our trade is that it's very said. And today is Sunday. And this particular thing that is happening on BTC today happened on Sunday too. This particular day I was talking about. Now look at this. Let me go to power. Okay, I'm on power already. This is area of support, a very strong area of support. Okay, that's on Sunday. Let me show you this. That's on Sunday. Market did all these things and moved first. Came up here from this evening. That I was coming back from you. I was like, are you sure that this market don't want to go down? My friend started showing me other block. This is other block. Oh, market we test it to and drop. And market tested it true, dropped. This zone is very strong. So market supposed to even drop more. I held my trade. I held it very tight. Now look at what is happening today again. This area, look at this. Market is now rejecting. And market has formed something like evening star. Look at this candle too. So what are we now be waiting for? Is for market to form another candle like this. Look at this candle there. If market formed a bullish engulfing, if this ended up a bullish engulfing candle, I'm going to buy this one. I'm going to buy this one, Velo, or this one. This is what I'm going to do. Okay, so I will draw a curtain on this video, and I hope you learn something from this video. Bye. Have a beautiful